So you guys, our topic is the present simple. It's me. Hey, it's Callan. Good to see you. So let's get started with the present simple. So first of all, who can tell me how we use the present simple? What is the present simple for? And I've got some images. I've got some images to help us, okay? All right, so tell me, when do we use the present simple? Hey, Wop, how you doing? Hey, everyone. How is everyone? Good to see everybody. Nice to have you here. When do we use the present simple? And how do we form the present simple? So, that's habits. Perfect. That's the main use. Yeah, present simple for habits is the most common use of the present simple. We use it a lot for I am going to college. That's the continuous. I am going. Whenever you see the ing, this is the continuous with the gerund. When the work is going on, not going on. We can say when the work happens. And I will explain why in a second. So yeah, present simple for habits, customs, traditions, and hobbies. Not the current situation. It can be, but watch. I will show you right now. So we have the present simple here. Well, let me get rid of this. Okay. Here's the thing. The present simple can be happening now. It doesn't have to be. Like, for example, on Fridays, I talk to you live. So it means it happens in the past. It means it happens in the present and is probably going to happen in the future. It doesn't have to happen every single time, but it generally does happen. So maybe I'm sick today, so there's no live. But you know that it usually does happen. It repeats, it recycles, right? Here we go. Raul plays cricket. Exactly. So that means he has played it at least some in the past. He plays it in the present. Maybe he's not playing it right now, and he will probably play it again in the future, right? Because it's a habit and a hobby. So it's the present simple is for things that continue. In the past, they happened. They will continue in the present, and they will continue in the future. All right, and they repeat. This kind of a recycled, reused action. So keep that in mind. All right, so now give me your examples. Give me your present simple examples talking about your hobbies. Tell me about your hobbies or your work. Here we have some examples here. I used to take, not to take a coffee, to have a coffee, or to drink a coffee. We don't take drinks. We don't take food or drinks in English. It's weird. You don't say that. Where was that example? I used to have a coffee, but now I don't have it anymore. That's the past habit. We're not talking about that. We're in the present, man. He likes to eat momos. What are momos? Exactly, though. That's perfect. He likes to eat. He likes to. I'm eating. No. Remember, if we say I am, that's the continuous. We can't say that. Here we're just using I. How do we form the present simple? It is the subject plus the present simple verb. Okay, there's no am, is, or are. None of that. I usually work on Saturdays. Perfect, Mina. She loves to draw so much. Perfect, Hala. He goes to school. Kayala. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm looking at. Good grammar, Solcito. But it has to be I am. No, it can't be. That's the continuous. So we can't say I'm looking at you guys. That is the present continuous, and we will talk about that next. So the present simple is just I look at photos because this means in the past, now, and probably again in the future. All right. I do my homework. Perfect, Divina. That means you usually do your homework. We're not talking about right now. Ah, momos are dumplings. Very cool. I wake up at 7:30 every morning. Perfect, Eddie. Thank you so much. Ronaldo and Messi play football, because plural, they play. Ronaldo and Messi becomes they. I like to sleep right after I come back from work. Perfect, Bekal. I write a letter. Excellent. Remember, this is the present simple. In the present simple, we are not talking about what we are doing right now. It is not this moment. It's talking about what we do as a habit, a custom or tradition. It's recycled at various points in the past, present, and future. But it doesn't have to be specifically what we're talking about right now.